Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling, and this edition is that special segment that we have. And in this edition, we're going to be hearing a news article here about an event that's about to happen, and from that, we'll teach you some phrases about it. And this month, we have an article here talking about a very popular event that's been going on for a couple of months already, but it's been traveling around the island. 其实呢，这几个月呢，大家都会提到一个东西叫做黄色小鸭，对不对？而且这个月呢，到了基隆了。So let's hear a little article here about the yellow rubber duck, and when we come back, let's teach you some phrases in Hakka. 然后我们听完之后再教一些生字，好吗？
Okay.
Let's hear it.
Dutch artist Florentine Hoffman's sensational rubber duck has been making its way around Taiwan. Starting off in Kaohsiung, it made a stop in Taoyuan, and beginning December 21st, it'll be staying over the holiday season in Keelung. Come enjoy the festivities and see the duck in person. It'll surely put a smile on your face.
All right, it's all about the yellow rubber duck. 你知道我们小时候啊，洗澡就是会玩这个黄色小鸭鸭。对 ，the rubber duck。现在放大版，大家都好想要看哦。黄色小鸭怎么说嘞？
黄色小鸭呗。
哦，黄色 ，that's yellow。小鸭呗。小小的鸭，鸭呗。阿北就是鸭了，
对，
塞阿北的小鸭啦。
那如果变大鸭就太阿北，
太阿北其实它很大，对不对？我们应该叫它黄色大鸭才对啊。
没有，因为它是小鸭开始长大。
对啦，没错，它还是很可爱的。Okay, that's how you say the yellow rubber duck, and it's happening this month in 基隆。其实从高雄到桃园到基隆一路奔波啊，然后吸引到这个好几百万的民众去看，
好多人哦。
对啊 ，and maybe you've seen it already, maybe not. But when you go visit the yellow rubber duck, 因为这真的变成是一个观光胜地了，请大家垃圾不要乱丢，我们呼吁一下好不好？
对。
Please pick up your trash and recycle and put it in the trash bin, okay? 顺便教一下垃圾怎么说。
Lapsep.
There you go. And it's very important that we pick up all the trash because this yellow rubber duck has been around Taiwan from Kaohsiung to Taoyuan, now Keelung. We really want to keep a very good impression to the international media that's going to be there too, okay? All right, let's review some of these terms. 黄色小鸭，黄色。黄色小鸭。小鸭呗 that's the duck. And 垃圾 trash. Lapsep. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什么太嘎？
俺是谁张磊了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.